so long and I really don't know what to do right now. So it's a little awkward because I'm awkward. Why I'm eating my yogurt in this big old bowl. I either want to go to the gym or go for a run. I'm not sure what I want to do first. Not first. I'm not sure what I want to do at all because I'm like, I went running twice this week. I did Pilates twice this week and I only went to the gym this week once. So I feel like the obvious answer is going to the gym, but I don't want to go to the gym. I'd rather run. So we'll see what I decide to do. Probably ask Siri to decide for me. Ace is looking for food. Not his food, human food. See how big this smoothie is? Oh my gosh. Eat. It's underneath there. You're gonna have to eat the spinach in order to get to the chicken. Eat this. Oh my gosh. We always do this. I swear they already started the operation. Yeah. What episode am I on? Like, I need to write this down. So my shopping addiction continues because I'm on eBay right now looking at Joan Rivers bracelets. Like, her collection is so fire. It's so fire, bro. I'm so happy that I'm able to low-key gatekeep because I ain't telling nobody. I'm only telling y'all, and I bet only like 12 people really finna watch and listen to what I say. But when I tell you her jewelry is gorgeous, but I bidded for this one. I won another one today for like 20 bucks, and I want to bid on this one, but I just spent 20 bucks and this person just outbid me. So now it's at $12.50. My max was 12, but this one is so gorgeous. Like, you don't even understand how pretty it is. To change my shirt and then put on a sweater because it's just about to get colder at night in the States, unfortunately. I already felt it, and man, when I tell you guys I miss Phoenix, I miss Phoenix so bad. Like, the weather in Phoenix is just another level. I know it can be hot, but damn, it gets so cold here. I am about to go to the park with my friends. I'm hoping to be able to pack a snack to go drink some more water because I feel like my water intake got pretty low today just because I've been doing so much and I haven't been thinking. Let me finish the rest of my water. I'll see you guys at the park.